Welcome to the Mixed Integer Linear Programming tutorial. I'm Pano Santos and I am the Senior Technical Content Manager of Gurobi. And I retired from HP Labs as a distinguished technologist. And I owe Gurobi this success that I have in my career, because based on Gurobi, I built many applications that were transferred to the different business in HP. So what I want to do in this session is to give you an overview of what we are going to cover throughout all these video sessions. So in the first video, what we are going to do is to discuss why mixed integer programming, or MIP, is important. And we are going to discuss a couple of applications with a very high impact of MIP technology. Then in the second video, we are going to present and discuss a problem that we'll discuss throughout the whole video series. And this problem is called the resource assignment problem. And for short, we are going to call it the RAP problem. In the third video, what we are going to do is to formulate this RAP problem as a linear programming problem. And then in the fourth video, what we are going to do is to take this linear programming formulation of the RAP problem and then use the Gurobi Python API to formulate the problem and also solve the problem using the Gurobi Optimizer. In the fifth video, what we are going to do is to give you a demo using a Jupyter Notebook about the implementation of the RAP problem using the Gurobi Python API. In the sixth video, what we are going to do is to discuss certain characteristics of the resource assignment problem that make this problem very special, and that's why we say that the resource assignment problem is a perfect formulation. Why? Because by using linear programming, because of these specific characteristics of the resource assignment problem, you can always get integer solutions. However, most of the linear programming problems, they don't have these characteristics. So we are going to introduce new constraints and break that structure and then show that we need to use more than linear programming. So linear programming is fundamental for mathematical optimization, but you need to do more things. And that's what we are going to motivate in this video. Then in video 7, what we are going to do is to give a general overview about MIP problems, mixed integer programming problems, and then introduce the two main approaches that address the MIP problems. One is branch and bound, and the other one is cutting planes. So in the next two videos, video 8 and video 9, we are going to discuss branch and bound, and we are going to discuss cutting planes. One thing that is very important, and both of these methods require linear programming. So all the approaches that we use to solve MIP problems, where we require to have integer solutions, are based on linear programming. The good news is that we are going to illustrate these algorithms for you, just to give you an idea of how Gurobi works, but you don't need to implement them. That's the beauty and power of Gurobi, that all these algorithms are already implemented for you, and you just need to have an accurate formulation of your problem and then call the Gurobi callable library and solve the problem. In video 10, basically what we are going to do is to give you a demo where we are going to try to generalize and scale up the resource assignment problem, and to show you that MIP technology is much more superior than using simple heuristic to solve this type of combinatorial problems. And the last video, basically, we are going to conclude and summarize everything that we have covered in this video series. So keep tuned and see you at the next video. Thank you.